Hi friends, welcome back. And now we are going to discussing about how to open our Codegen mode using our Playwright C Sharp. What is a Codegen is basically a recording or playback a script. A recording and a playback a script. How you can able to do this recording and playback script? For what is the prerequisite of this means? Prerequisite is like a step one you have to install for Playwright for .NET. Okay, for .NET. Okay, once you install everything, and in case if you are not seeing my installation video, please go through that. You can able to see that. Okay, and then step two is we need to run our gen. Okay, before that you can see our Playwright is going to provide some documentation related stuff where you can able to generate the test. Okay, and here they are provided how it will be there, and they are given for this is basically a Windows PowerShell related command they have provided here. But I'm not going to show that Windows PowerShell. I'm going to show you for command prompt. Okay. It's an easy way to open comparing to any other things. Okay. Here is a little bit risky. Some people work perfectly. Some people won't work perfectly. Okay. Before that, we can see here the tools, and I'm going to here developer command prompt. Okay. I'm opening this one. Okay. You need to do all the things. Okay, if you have already done open like install everything in the Playwright and all, okay, you can use for npx Playwright. Okay, Playwright Codegen. Okay, if you do this one, automatically it will open for your Codegen. Then maybe you will get for one question. If you are using for .NET, why I want to use for npx? Okay, even you can see here there is a changes for the target locations. Okay, you can choose for whatever language you want. You can able to use this particular location. You can change your programming language. I'm using for .NET NUnit. Okay, it automatically provide for NUnit script. Okay, if I'm doing now minimize this and minimize this as well. Okay, you need to see for the parallel whether it is converting or not. Okay. Now you can see here in the blank location I'm going to use for https colon double forward slash www.google.com. Now I have entered here. Just I'm doing for enter. Okay. See now it is a page dot go go to a sync and it is provide the URL. Okay. If you do whatever you want, you can click here. It is click for a new location. Okay. Simply click. Okay. Then you can search for any kind of thing. Lokesh Kanakaraju. Okay, now I click here and again I click here. And if you want to do some assertions, you can use for assertion type, which is assertion for the text. Okay, you can click for the assertion. See, this is my assertion that text element contain the text. See now, if you come back here, if you little bit expand, see, it is created for that particular thing. Okay, page dot locator. This particular value it is given contains of Lokesh Kanakaraju. If it is provided, then it will give you for success rate. Okay. Otherwise, it will give you for error. Okay. Success like assertion also we can do. Okay. If you do here assertion visibility, if you click assertion visibility, which assertion visibility it is presented, those are all the things it will show you for that. Okay. See now again expected role for this particular one. It is given again to be a visible async. It is checking for that particular element whether it will be presented or not. Automatically it will check for that. Okay. And this is a assertion, this is a visibility check, and this is the context visibility purpose. And here is assertion value. You can able to provide which assertion value, and this particular is copying, and this is like resuming that entire script. Okay, this is a passing the script, and this is a debugging time. You can able to H over step by step. Okay, these are the things. And if you pick, like picking for any locator, which locator you want, specific locator, that specific locator you can able to point. By click here. Now this is the one you want to find it. Yes, you can click. See, it is provided for locator. Here you can, okay, and movie roles again. See here, new thing it is coming and picking here. Okay, it's a pointing of that particular locator picking type. Okay, I hope it is this entire things you are understanding. Okay, now see here, if you want to clear entire thing, you can able to clear it. It's gone. Okay, if you want to see toggle, if you want to color changes, you can do it. Okay, and here is the locators. You can able to see the selector and logs, and selector you can able to copy the selector and you can able to use it. Okay, whatever you want you can able to use it. This is by using for NUnit, sorry, NPX, by using NPX Playwright code gen 1. Okay, and if you want to run, if you want to run with the directly .NET environment side, then what I have to do? Okay, in this case you need to install for one particular package. Okay, I have already installed. Just I'm going to type here, please install that into a same in this command line only. Okay, you can use it command line, it will automatically it will install. Okay, what you have to do, .NET a space a tool install, and then space hyphen hyphen global a space Microsoft. M is a capital letter. Remember that. Okay. Microsoft dot a playwright a dot CLI. Okay. This is the package you have to install into a, in that particular command, in this command line. Okay. Once you installed, and here you need to use only like a playwright space Codegen. There is no nothing .NET also not required. .NET also not required. Just you need to use for Playwright Codegen. Once you use the Playwright Codegen and enter, and then it will start for your Playwright related stuff. Okay, here if you see library, what kind of library it is taken? .NET library. .NET library by default normally it will create. Okay, if you want any other thing like MS test, okay, it will take the MS test related stuff. If you want NUnit stuff, then you can, it will take as a NUnit related stuff. Okay, this is related to that particular .NET section. Okay, if you see now here again, https colon double forward slash www.google.com, enter. Okay, it is already started for the execution. Okay, whatever it is you can able to do it. Okay, like this also you can able to use. But npx playwright codegen is the best way to take and changing that library, whatever the library you want you can able to change based upon your convenience. That is the best way to do it. Okay, this also best, but that is the one it will give us all the options properly. Okay, everything I hope you understood for recording and playback this section. Okay, you can copy that entire code and you can able to paste it here, creating one particular function, and you can able to do it. Okay, if you want, we'll do for one more time. I'm going to do for npx playwright codegen. Okay, simple. I'm going to do fastly now. Okay, because you have already know that how to do it and all. And here I'm going to use it. .NET NUnit. I'm keeping here https colon www.google.com. Okay, now here I'm going to search for location. Okay, and I'm going to make some assertions. visibility assertion, and this I'm going to take it. This is a visibility assertion, and context. I'm going to take the context assertion. Yes, this is the one context assertion. Okay, three things I'm done. Okay, I'm maximizing this, and I'm going to copying this. Okay, we can copy this entire thing. I'm going to here. Okay, I'm saving here, and I'm going to close this as well, and this one as well. Okay, I'm going to add test explorer, maximizing, 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 and my test. Okay, this is related to we are recorded and we are now playing that because headed mode it is not able to identify this location Kanakarajan because it is not entered, right? The entering and all like directly it is taking them from the URL. Because of that, it is not able to identify the naming conventions. Okay, but we can able to do one more time. Directly type normal way. Yes, www.google.com. Once again. Okay. Finish. Yeah, it is filled, it is clicked and it is filled and we click for location also. Okay, then visibility of assertion, this is the one. Okay, we'll write this is the simple one. Now you can see it is given as much as quick. I'm changing this and I'm copying this entire things. Going back. Okay, I'm saving now. Again going back and running this stuff. If something error is gone, then we can able to see in this particular location. Again, it is having some timeout. It's clicking for the element. Why? We'll mark this into our comment section. Okay, it is able to open, but it is not able to click specifically that particular element. It is not able to identify which we are provided in the code, which is the one it is provided get by label. It is not able to pick that particular one. Because of that, it is failing. Skipping. Okay. Okay, no issue. We'll do this as well into our next video session. How we can able to write for the locators, right? That moment we can able to solve this particular issue. Okay. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.